Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on GBPUSD. Let's start with some fundamental background first. The Fed members and Fed Chair Powell keep on repeating that they expect two or more rate hikes this year if the data remains strong. Since the last FOMC meeting, the data kept on surprising to the upside with very strong housing market indicators, solid US jobless claims, US services PMI expansion, and a strong consumer confidence report. This has led to a more hawkish repricing in interest rate expectations that ultimately favored the US dollar. The BOE, on the other hand, surprised with a 50 bps rate hike last week, as the incredibly strong employment report and a higher than expected core inflation figure made the central bank to lean for a more aggressive action. BOE's Bailey this week has also said that they will do what is necessary to achieve their target and will be data dependent for rate hikes. On the daily chart, we can see that GBPUSD has fell below the 126.80 support with some conviction. We may now see the buyers waiting at the upward trend line to pile in with a defined risk below the trend line and target a new high. The sellers, on the other hand, will want to see the price breaking below the trend line to start getting aggressive on the downside and target the 123 swing low here. Drilling down to the 4-hour chart, we can see that we have some strong support levels near the trend line, where we can find the 50% Fibonacci retracement level and the previous resistance to support. The trend on this time frame has been bearish, as the price kept on printing lower lows and lower highs, but the downside momentum is starting to weaken right when we are getting near the trend line. This may be a sign of an incoming pullback or even a reversal. On the 1-hour chart, in fact, we can see that the price is diverging with the MACD, which is generally a sign of weakening momentum, often followed by pullbacks or reversals. So we may expect another push to the downside and then a deeper pullback into the 126.80 support resistance, or the price breaking below the trend line with conviction, invalidating the bullish setup and opening the door for a fall into the 123 handle mentioned previously. Alternatively, the buyers may also start to pile in as soon as the price breaks above the 126.80 resistance. Today, the risk event to watch is the US PCE, and we might get some dollar weakness if the data misses expectations, or some strength if the data beats.